Hello. We are going to continue our installation of the Clover Solo POS system. After the system starts up, it will ask you which language you would like the device to display. For this demo, we will choose English. The next screen will prompt you to connect to a network. If you have already plugged in an Ethernet cable, this screen will close automatically. Since we are using Wi-Fi, we will select Use Wi-Fi at the bottom of the screen. Select the wireless network you would like to use and enter your password. Once it connects, click Done. The Solo will now download the latest update. The system will restart automatically once the update is complete. After restarting, the device will ask you for your activation code. You can get your code from the email sent to you by Clover, or you can call us at our support line for help with the activation process. After entering the activation code, your Solo will begin installing the standard applications needed to operate the device. Once installation is complete, the system will prompt you to load receipt paper into the printer. Start by taking your printer paper roll and removing it from the packaging. Then remove the tape holding the paper in place. To open the printer, lift the white door on top of the printer. This will reveal the printer latch. Press down on the green latch button to release the black printer door. Then pull the door open. Load the paper into the roll holder, making sure the paper feeds over the top of the roll. Pull a small amount of paper out of the printer and close the black latch door until it clicks. If done correctly, the printer will automatically cut the paper. You can now close the white door and continue to the next step. If this is your first Clover device, the system will now ask you to set a passcode. You can choose either a 4-digit or a 6-digit passcode, based on how your account is configured. After entering your passcode, the system will ask if you would like to use the same passcode for all devices. By default, this is set to yes, but you can change this later in your account settings. On the same screen, you will be asked whether you want to collect tips and signatures on screen or on the printed receipt. For now, we will leave the setting on the default option, which is tips on screen. The next screen will ask if you would like to enable SIM card service. Select No to avoid additional charges. You will then be shown the available pricing plans. On the next screen, you will be asked to review and verify Clover's terms of service and privacy policies. You can review these documents on Clover's website. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Click the small checkbox to agree. Then click Authorize. Now the Solo will display a confirmation message stating that you are all set. Click Get Started at the bottom of the screen. You are now ready to begin using your new Clover Solo.